Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about how to get that flawless glowing base. So let's begin. To start off, I am going to use the Farsali 24 karat rose gold elixir. It gives a very nice moisturized glowing skin to begin with. Now to erase dark circles, I don't have very prominent dark circles, so I am going to use this peach color corrector, which I'm going to apply with my finger under my eyes. If you have darker dark circles than me, then you can go for an orange corrector instead of a peach one. For me, the peach one is fine, so do the same thing I'm doing with the orange one. So here I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. It's one of my favorites, and what I'm going to do is first I'm going to take some on the back of my hand, and with a foundation brush I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Now don't be scared, I know it looks really light for my skin tone on the camera, but trust me, this foundation adjusts to my skin tone in about 4 to 5 minutes. And then I will go in with my beauty blender to pat this foundation into my skin. If there is any excess product on your face, then the sponge is going to absorb it while giving it a nice flawless finish. Next, I'm going to move on to this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. You guys have seen me do this a million times already in all my videos. I highlight under my eyes and all the usual areas of my face. That's what happened when mommy does the makeup. The kids like to have fun. And I will set all of that in place with my Makeup Revolution translucent banana powder, which I'm currently obsessed with. Now time to add some color back into my face. For that I am using my Holy Grail HOOLA Benefit Bronzer, and with that I'm going to do all of that I showed you in my last video about contouring. So I'm just going to warm up my face using this product. For today I'm using the Dandelion blush by my most favorite current new obsession, the Benefit Blush Bar Palette. How gorgeous is this, guys? If possible, you need to get your hands on it. Every single blush shade in here is stunning and highly pigmented and pretty much complements every single skin tone. As you can see how happy I am to get my hands on it. For highlight today I'm using the MAC Strobe cream. I'm just going to use this on the high points, high planes of my face, top of the cheeks, and a little bit on the nose and Cupid's bow. Clearly we are not going to stop just at the stroke cream, are we? We are going to take the highlight game one step ahead. For that I'm going to top this up with the Mary Luminizer highlighter, and you can see the lovely, gorgeous, stunning highlight it gives to my cheeks. Now if you are not a very strong highlight kind of person, you can stop at the stroke cream, but it's not happening with me. For lips today I have picked my favorite Kat Von D LOLIta2. It's a nice warm terracotta brown shade which goes well with this look. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed how I do my base and my foundation routine. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy my videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below what else you would like to see. Till then, bye bye.